Hi Art Scholars, it's Miss Alfaro and it's Miss Paula. Today we wanted to share some of the things that we did in our Week 2 workshop with True North Art Scholars. Here we go! Have you ever folded a paper airplane? Well, we discovered that the origins of folded paper gliders are generally considered to be of ancient China. I never knew that. Interesting. Art scholars used different folding methods and then decorated their own art plane. At the end of our workshop, our official contest of flight took place. This was a fun way to end our action-packed day. Grid drawing is a technique that improves accuracy in drawing. Students were exposed to measurement, space, and design. Wow, who knew that our art scholars implement the same technique as the masters Da Vinci and Durer from the Renaissance period? Each art scholar had their own stretched canvas that they were working on. At the end of class, we put them all together to see our results. Let's take a look. Our next project was printmaking. Well, printmaking is one of my favorite ways to make art. We recycled cardboard boxes and paper to make an impression. We did keep with our ancient Greek theme. It truly was an action-packed day, and we thank all of our art scholars for joining us. I'm working on our next video called The Wonders of Oil Pastel. Thanks for joining us. Always remember to think outside the box. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe.